Okay, hello dear friends. Here we have 1 plus root 5 cube plus 1 minus root 5 cube. We can just go ahead and do it. Open it up, but it might be too complicated. And we see here is a positive root 5, here is a negative root 5. In Chinese, we call it 共轭. So we can play around with the relation. For this one, we suppose a plus root 5 as a, 1 plus root 5 as a, 1 minus root 5 as b, suppose. We know the formula, a plus b cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b square, b cube. Do we know this formula? We know it. So this is a Pascal triangle, and we know this is the Pascal triangle in practice. So we know, so here they ask us a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube. What do we get? A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b cube. We move this to this side, minus 3ab times a plus b. Right? We take here, we take out an a here, we take 3ab out. Here we left a, here we left b. Right? So 1 plus root 5 cube plus 1 minus root 5 cube. So we plugged number in. A is 1 plus root 5. B is 1 minus root 5, equal to A is 1 plus root 5 plus B, 1 minus root 5 cube, minus 3 times A is 1 plus root 5, B is 1 minus root 5, times a plus b. A is 1 plus root 5 plus 1 minus root 5. So it becomes much easier to calculate. Okay, we can start to cancel out something. Negative root 5 out. So here we left 2 cube minus, and minus 3 times 1 minus 5. We know this formula, right? So it's 1 minus root 5 square. So 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5. And here is positive, negative out. So times 2. So 2 to the power of 3, 2 cubed is 8. And here is negative 4 minus 3 times negative 4 times 2 equal to 4 8 32. 8 negative become positive, and plus 24. 8 times 3, 28. So the final result is 32. And here there are other problems which use the same kind of logic. Let me find some of these problems when I can find. Okay. Okay, hello dear friends. Here we have another problem. 6 plus 4 times root 2 plus 6 root 6 minus 4 root 2. And they want us to figure out the value of this. So let's suppose this is A, this is B. A equal to 6 plus root 6 root of 6 plus root 2, and B equal to square root of 6 minus 4 root 2. Okay, so we know one formula, that is A plus B square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. I want to write this way because this will be easier for us to, it is the same thing as A square plus 2AB plus B square. You can change the order. So root 6 plus 4 root 2 plus 6 minus root 6 minus 4 root 2 square equal to A square. A square is 6 plus 4 root 2 plus B square plus 6 minus 4 root 2 plus 2 times root 6 plus 4 root 2 times 6 minus 4 root 2 equal to, get rid of, so 12, this is 12, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 10, 2 times, okay, what do we get from this is square root of 6 times 6 is 36, and 36, 4 square times 2 is 4 square times 2, because this one we square it becomes 32. 16 times 2, 32. 4 times 4 is 16. Root 2 times root 2 is 2, equal to 12 plus 2 times 36 minus 32 equal to 12 plus 2 times root 4 equal to 12 plus 2 times 2 equal to 12 plus 4 equal to 12 plus 4 equal to 16. Okay, now we know the square of it is 16. So root 6 plus 4 times root 2 plus root 6 minus 4 root 2. Square is 16, right? So 6 plus 4 root 2, the root of 6 plus 4 root 2 plus the root of 6 minus 4 root 2 equal to 4. And it cannot be negative because this is bigger than 1, bigger than 0. 6 minus 4 times 1.41，4。So this one is also bigger than 1. So the result is 4. Kind of fun.